This is Dylan Inglet, and this is my coding explanation for Creative Assignment 1. So let's begin with the main.dart. This file contains all of our routing information for our Android application. And you can see right here we have our various screens. Let's start with the home screen, which is set to our initial route right here. So let's go to home screen. And right here we just have the app bar, and we have the title. We have a drawer, and in this drawer we have a bunch of images. We also have some different selections that you can click on, and then they will take you on to, if you see on tap, they'll take you to the different screens using the navigator. And then we have an image. This is just our title image, and then our text. And we centered everything just to make sure everything's in the center. Now let's move on to our first screen, which we get to when we navigate to right here, workout screen. Right here we have our workout screen. This is just a list of our different workouts for the different days of the week. This screen's really pretty basic. And we did add some padding. Next, let's go back to the home screen. Then let's go to the meal plan screen. And this is where we used our own sort of creative stuff outside of the lecture. We used the grid view, and we put different images into the grid, and this just shows our different meals that we're going to consume during the week. And we did add some padding. We just messed around with the padding until we got one that looked pretty good. And then let's go back to the home screen. And where did I miss it? Oh, right here. We have our goal screen. And our goal screen just shows our various goals, and we use rows, and we use side boxes for spacing in between the different rows. And that concludes our video demonstration.